Welcome to FP Markets. To deposit through Rupee payments, please log into your client portal. On the left-hand side of your portal, select the Funding tab and then choose Deposit, and select the account you wish to fund. Navigate to Alternative Payment Methods and choose Rupee Payments. You will then be directed to choose your deposit amount. Select from the pre-designated funding options or enter a custom amount and click Deposit. A new window will open, guiding you through the Rupee payments deposit process. From here, you must complete the necessary information. Ensure all details are correct before finalizing the transaction. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the funding process with Rupee payments at FP Markets.